Hello, this is a Keychron K8 Tenkeyless or TKL mechanical keyboard. This is actually a reward from Keychron's Kickstarter campaign that started a few months ago. I actually did just receive this from DHL yesterday, so this video is really just hot off the press, so to speak. I chose a version with RGB capability and Hot-Swappable option. For the switches, there were only 3 choices for this particular combo: red, blue, and brown, all from Keychron. I chose the blue switches because I haven't had a chance to try them yet. This is not the first Keychron mechanical keyboard I have. I had a Keychron K4 before, but I didn't quite like it. And I absolutely didn't like the red RGB linear switches it came with. For this K8 model, the Keychron blue switches are just alright. Frankly, they're just a bit too clicky for me. In comparison, I like the mushier clicky switches like KO Box White or Box Jade. But eventually I will probably put in some tactile or heavier switches later, such as Cherry Black or Cherry Clear. I do like the keyboard, and I do like the Tenkeyless or TKL form factor, and the build quality for this particular keyboard is pretty good. Time would really tell about my long-term experience, but so far so good. I would recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons. Thanks. And now the typing sounds.